Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless hot glue guns that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Pink Power Mini Cordless Hot Glue Gun Kit with Stand. This product is designed with portability and ease of use in mind, making it a great option for casual DIYers and crafters. The kit includes 20 premium mini glue sticks and a USB charging cable, so you're good to go right out of the box. Its quick heating capability, just 90 seconds, is quite impressive, and the LED indicator light helps you know when it's ready to use. The compact and lightweight design, weighing just under 12 ounces, is perfect for handling intricate tasks like gift decorations, minor home repairs, or school crafts. The ergonomic design is another plus, offering a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. However, the battery life is where this glue gun falls short, making it less ideal for long crafting sessions. While it's great for quick fixes, the relatively short runtime and the need for frequent recharging can be a bit of a hassle for larger projects. Overall, the Pink Power Mini Cordless Hot Glue Gun is an attractive, beginner-friendly option with a sleek pink design. It's best suited for light-duty work and smaller projects. However, its limited battery life and modest heating time place it at number 5 on our list. At number 4, we have the Nico 02660A Cordless Glue Gun. This is our budget pick, priced at just $24.99, and it offers excellent value for its cost. With its rapid 2-minute heating time and a durable anti-drip nozzle insulated with silicone, this gun is perfect for quick and mess-free crafting. The Nico glue gun features a 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing up to 100 minutes of continuous runtime, impressive for a budget option. Plus, the ergonomic handle and built-in stand make it convenient to use. While it doesn't come with as many extras as some higher-priced models, it does include 10 glue sticks and a USB charging cable, which is enough to get you started. The compact and lightweight design makes it great for portability. But it does lack some advanced features like multiple temperature settings or a faster preheating system. Additionally, while it's versatile enough for paper, fabric, and wood, it may not be ideal for heavy-duty materials. For the price, the Nico 02660A is a solid choice for anyone on a budget who needs a reliable cordless glue gun for occasional crafting or light repairs. Its affordability, combined with decent performance and runtime, earns it the 4th spot on our list. Taking the 3rd spot is the Dremel HSGP-01 4V Cordless USB Rechargeable Hot Glue Pen. This tool stands out for its unique pen-like design, which offers superior precision and control, making it perfect for intricate projects such as glue pen art, costume repairs, and delicate embellishments. The Dremel glue pen heats up in just 15 seconds, one of the fastest preheating times on our list, and it also features an automatic shutoff after 10 minutes of inactivity for added safety. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold, even during extended use. It comes with a 4V lithium-ion battery, which delivers solid runtime and includes a USB charging cable and power adapter for convenient recharging. However, with only 4 glue sticks included, you might want to stock up on extras before diving into bigger projects. While the Dremel glue pen excels in precision, its smaller size and lower power output may not be ideal for heavy-duty applications. With its fast preheating time, safety features, and precise design, the Dremel HSGP-01 is a fantastic choice for crafters who value control and finesse. Its versatility and premium feel make it a worthy contender at number 3. Our runner-up is the Tongful Cordless Electric Hot Glue Gun, which is compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, making it an excellent choice for those who already own Makita tools. This glue gun boasts a 3 to 5 minute preheating time thanks to its advanced PTC heating system, and it's designed for high performance in various crafting and repair tasks. The metal nozzle prevents glue leakage, and the built-in safety fuse ensures reliable operation without overheating. The Tongful glue gun is compact yet powerful, making it ideal for a wide range of materials, including plastic, paper, and fabric. However, It's worth noting that the battery is not included, so you'll need to factor in the cost of a Makita-compatible battery if you don't already have one. It also comes with just 2 glue sticks, which may not be sufficient for larger projects. Overall, the tongue-full glue gun provides excellent performance and compatibility for frequent DIYers and serious crafters. It's a fantastic option for those invested in the Makita ecosystem, which is why it secures the number 2 spot on our list. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Cater Cordless Hot Glue Gun Kit. This glue gun is a perfect blend of performance, design, and value. It heats up in just 30 seconds, allowing you to get started on your projects quickly. And its built-in 2500 mAh battery provides excellent runtime. The auto shut-off feature after 5 minutes of inactivity ensures safety and energy efficiency, while the anti-drip nozzle and stable base reduce mess and make it easy to use. What sets the Cater glue gun apart is the inclusion of 20 glue sticks, 10 clear and 10 colored, giving you plenty of material to kick off your crafting. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts, school projects, and home repairs. The vibrant perk design adds a fun and unique touch, and the eco-friendly glue sticks are safe for both adults and kids. With its fast heating, thoughtful design, and comprehensive kit, the Cater Cordless Hot Glue Gun Kit is the ultimate all-rounder. It offers exceptional value, versatility, and performance, making it a must-have for crafters at every level. That's why it's our number 1 pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.